We're back on the Colt. Obviously we've had all the faff with the roof that you saw in the last video, but we've gone backwards. The car won't start. We've got an immobiliser issue. Chugga 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 chugga. So
we're going to try again what we did last time. We've manually put it back down. Obviously we're still having problems, can't even get it started now. So I think what we're going to do is take the battery off, let it reset itself whilst the roof is down, because last time it actually sent it up on its own. So hopefully we can get it to do it again. Intense beeping time again. She's charging whilst we've had a little breather. In the process of having a little breather, we've got some back seats in her. Obviously it all still needs a really thorough cleaning yet, but as you can see, it's proper dry inside now, considering it's had no windows in it for what, best part of 2 years or something. As you can see, we've literally had to strip everything, see if there's a broken wire. It is still giving us a headache. We've had it down again today and back up, so it's got to be something or nothing. We're so close. But yeah, it's becoming a complete car again. Now we are talking door cards, glove box all back together, all the back together, chipped up over the Hoover. Yeah, now we need to go for a deep clean. Obviously just hoovered it all while she's on charge. But yeah, as you can see, she is nasty. Mitsubishi.
they're 20s.
They ain't 20s, they're teens, but they're clean.
I'm using a Carista, but a different app. Read the codes, see if I can clear them, and see if it'll start.
A few moments later.
She is running. Another day down. Feel like we made a little bit of progress. Well, we definitely made progress, because obviously, as you can see, we've now got all the back seats in. All the interior is completely back together. She's that much of a gem, you can't actually hear her, but she's running again. I think what we're going to do is get her booked in for the MOT now. She's completely back together. Obviously we need a new fan belt, 4 new tyres.
Roof is down, sun is out, buzzing, absolutely buzzing. Just got to say thank you to everyone in the CZZ group on Facebook, everyone who commented on YouTube, because that's how we got this resolved and got it working. It was just as simple as not having the net in the boot. The net has got a micro switch in the back. Once that was hooked up, that was in, roof came down. Obviously that's after we fixed the windows in the back, but result, buzzing, thank you, means a lot. Right, so I've pulled it in the garage, I've got the roof down, I've got this panel on. I'm going to start taping up this loom. Insulation tape first, then a bit of loom tape. Get all the boot lining in, and then we're going to give it a good clean, because that's what it needs. In fact, we've got loads of little spiders in here. Must be a little nest. All the linings back in. This is the net that was causing the issue. So right down here, there's a little micro switch that when this net is pulled forward and clipped in, tells the body control unit that's behind there that it is out to obviously protect the roof from any luggage when the roof falls into the boot. And that's the only logical thing I can think of as to why it would have stopped the roof from coming down. Just me today on this lovely spring Saturday. Just doing a little bit of running around. I'm going to go and grab a auxiliary belt for the Colt. There's two belts for this, one with AC, one without. Don't know which one we've got. I mean, it'll take me 2 minutes to have a look, but they're about a tenner each, so I'm just going to grab two anyway, and then we'll get it done. Right, I'm going to try something different. Chest mount. Woo, 2 hands. Let's see if this works.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
That's the belt swapped and tensioned up. It's a neat little tensioning system, this. JDM for you, mate. Think of everything. So let's give it a start and see if we've got rid of that squealing. Hopefully the battery's not drained. Oh yeah. Simply lovely. Right, I think you need to get some fresh fuel in this as well, so I'm going to nip petrol station and do that. Don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but look at the difference between that passenger seat and that driver's seat after a good scrub.
One's a smoker. POV. So we're doing another good deed today, following our good friend to BMW to have this M135i. See what all this is about. I think it could just be something simple, but it could well be some seals. Looking at that, it appears to have chilled out. It's not smoking anywhere near as much, so still misfiring, but the smoke is well chilled out. What do you think about this one, Matthew?
When we sell the Colt,
yeah,
this is what we're going to buy next.
Okay, so how much do we need for the Colt then?
Well, if we get 70 for the Colt, we'll have a little bit of change.
Okay, no problem.
So we can fix the front end on it.
Yeah, I like the shape and whatnot. I'm not liking the colour. No, I prefer the grey to that. So this grey in that car. What are you saying then, Matthew?
Might upgrade.
You're looking at upgrading?
It's over.
We've locked it, you're not allowed in.
Boot don't work.
Boot broken already.
Yeah, doors don't work, so I can make some money.
Oh, mate. That is when you have made it in life. Right, we've arrived back. The car has gone. Back to BMW, Mr. Mark.
Yep.
Oh. Are you still eating that omelette?
It's hard to get the omelette in the dark.
Are you safe, mate?
Yeah, I'm strapped in, I've got my chains on.
You got your OMP harness on? Come on then, mate, let's get you out of there.
This was staged for YouTube.
It's like someone picked up in France.
Here she is again. What have you got to say to me, mister? What are you saying? Let's get this party started. Look at that, what Matthew's done already. Look at that, night and day. Come here now. That bit.
Look at the colour of that. Disgusting. John, I'll give you a £5 to drink it.
You have to pay me more than that. See the things that we have to do, mate. You don't even want to be dangerous and pour this down the drain. Like, down Matty's drain anyway. That
Yummy.
is everything that come out of them Colt seats. Hopefully we don't get a call off the waterboard, because that, my friend, is nasty. So we have come to the end of the Colt journey. Oh, Matthew's a little bit upset, but it's time to see it go. All the interior is done, new fan belt. She's going for an MOT, but you don't need to see all that. If anyone is interested in a Mitsubishi Colt, 80k, 88k, sorry.
£88,000, that he means.
Yeah,
you can have it for.
because we've seen a nice M2 before, actually.
So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and don't forget, tell your mum, tell your nan.